It's actually pretty insane how lazy you can be to make money using this method and for beginners. I found this website that will literally do all of the work for you simply by just copying and pasting. You also won't need any previous experience at all. So let's get into this step-by-step tutorial right now. But before I show you this tutorial, be sure to check out the link in the description for my best recommendation when it comes to making money online with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner. Thousands of ordinary people are making big bucks from this, so be sure to check this out yourself. So what I'm going to be showing you in today's video is an affiliate marketing strategy that is so easy to do. So the first step you're going to need to do is find an affiliate offer that you will promote. There are several different affiliate marketing websites or marketplaces that you can use to promote your products, whether it's ClickBank, Digistore, CPA Grip, CPA Lead, whatever. I'm going to use this website called PartnerStack in today's video. So just head on over to partnerstack.com and go to their marketplace where you will find thousands of different software companies that you can promote. You don't have to promote software companies, but the reason why I like to promote them is because they're digital products, meaning that there is no limit to how much can be sold. It's not like there's a pair of headphones that you're promoting and selling from Amazon where there is inventory in a warehouse somewhere with a limit to how much you can sell and how much money you can make. But when you are selling or promoting digital products, there is no limit to how much money you can make. And since it's software that's being sold and promoted, the customers that are purchasing the software tend to be business owners who are willing to spend a lot of money because they have a business budget and are more willing to invest. They are also going to use the product a lot longer because it will be a resource for their business to thrive and function. And what that means for you is that you will be getting recurring commissions, which is also known as passive income, every time you refer a new person. So as long as someone purchases the software from you and uses it for many years to come, you're going to keep making money as an affiliate. So if we take a look at the main page of the marketplace on partnerstack.com, we can see all of these different categories to choose products from. They've got social media, sales, productivity, marketing, human resources, e-commerce, development, accounting, and more. Each product in each category will pay you different amounts of money. If you take a look at the description of each product, you will see the percent of the sale you will earn. So the offer I'll be promoting for this example is a software called Sendinblue. And the reason I chose to promote Sendinblue as an affiliate is because Sendinblue will pay you $5 every time a new person signs up for the free trial. So every time someone just simply signs up for Sendinblue just for the free trial, you will get paid $5. And if someone ends up buying something from Sendinblue, you will get paid an extra $100. It's also so much easier to get someone to sign up to something that's free, but is also something that will actually help them and their business. Those are the main reasons I would go with Sendinblue and choose to promote that software as an affiliate. So if, for example, you got 100 people to sign up for the free trial, that would get you $500 right there. So what you would need to do to become an affiliate for Sendinblue to start promoting it would be to click on this button that says Apply to Program. After clicking that, you will be redirected to this page where you will enter some basic information like your first name, last name, email, business name, a website if you have one, and then select which traffic source you will be using to send traffic to your affiliate link. So you're probably wondering how you will get traffic sent to your affiliate link. Well, no need to worry because I will show you 2 different traffic sources and break down how you can complete everything so you can achieve this even as a complete beginner. Additionally, if you stick around to the end of this video, I'll provide you with a special bonus strategy to earn even more money. People using this strategy are making between $100,000 and $300,000 with zero cost and on complete autopilot. I'll even show proof that they are actually earning that much money and show you how you can do the exact same thing yourself. But first, let's begin with the first traffic source to get people to sign up for Sendinblue. And if you didn't know already, Sendinblue is an email software tool where people create email marketing campaigns for their business. So for the first traffic source you will be using, it's Google Ads. And usually I'm a firm believer in sticking with free organic methods of traffic, but sometimes there can be exceptions when you know of a tool like I do that I will share with you very soon. So Google Ads can be extremely powerful. So head over to googleleads.com, click on the button that says Start Now to create your account, then just click on New Campaign right here to start a new campaign. After you've done that, then just click on Website Traffic right here and select Display, and you can paste your own affiliate link right here in this box. So to get your affiliate link, you would head back over to Sendinblue copy your affiliate link, then just paste it right here in this box. So for your average daily budget, you can set it at something like $50 or $100, whatever you like. I'll just do $50 for this example. After that, we'll just select conversions, and for the target CPA, we'll put 20 cents. After that's filled out, you will just customize your ad. The look of your ad itself is very important because that's what people will look at and decide whether they want to click on it or at least even notice it. You also won't know whether that offer will convert for you or not based on the visual element. So you always want to place a lot of focus and emphasis on the ad creative when creating these. There is a website that can help you with your ad creatives as well called adcreative.ai, which is an AI tool that produces ad creatives for you just with one click. The AI tool literally does everything for you to create your ad creative. As it states right here, with banners and creatives produced by highly trained artificial intelligence, give your firm an unfair advantage. So they will essentially just create the banners and ad creatives for you, and the only thing you have to do is just click one button. What makes adcreative.ai so great is you'll get 14x better conversion rates than ad creatives designed with no data-driven approach. They will also create 1 to 10,000 ad creatives every month, making it super scalable. What's also amazing is that you can integrate this with Google if you are running Google Ads. You can integrate it with Facebook and several other platforms as well. And then if you look here, you will see a step-by-step process. So the first step, which is optional, is you will connect your account, whether it's your Google Ads account, Facebook, Instagram, etc. The second step is to upload your logo so the AI can add your logo to the designs that it creates. And then for the third step, you will choose your colors. You will have to select 3 different colors to be the color theme in your ads. So since we are promoting Send in Blue for this example, I'm going to go with bluish colors. The next step is to select your ad account, and this is totally optional to do as well. So you could select and add either your Facebook or Google ad accounts. After that, you will choose the ad size and provide some text so you can provide a brief explanation about the ad so they can include that and add that to the ad creatives. You will then select and upload a background image as well as a product image to complete this process. That's basically it. You will just click this button right here and they will launch those ad creatives for you, which you can then use for your ads and get significantly higher conversions, more signups, and therefore make more money. So if you don't actually want to run any Google or Facebook ads because it's too expensive, or you just simply don't want to spend a lot of money, I will show you another cheaper option. But before I show you this cheaper option, make sure to check out the link in the description for my best recommendation when it comes to making money online with affiliate marketing for complete beginners. You can head over to this website called propellerads.com where you can create and run post notification ads, which are significantly cheaper. So right here, you can see that push notifications are notifications that show up on your phone or your computer. They are native notifications and convert pretty well if you set them up correctly. And the best part is, like I mentioned, they are so much cheaper than Facebook or Google ads. The reason is because you aren't able to target a specific person or demographic with push notifications. But it is totally fine as long as you aren't promoting an extremely high ticket offer that is super niched down to something very specific. Then this will work perfectly for you. So you will just head over to propellerads.com, click Launch Campaign right here, or you can just sign up for a new account by clicking on the sign up button right here. After you've created your account, you can then log into your new account. So when finding an affiliate offer in the beginning of your affiliate marketing journey, I would suggest maybe promoting a product with more mass appeal. For example, you go head over to cpagrip.com and find some CPA offer that promotes a giveaway. So for example, if someone enters their email, they will have a chance to win some sort of prize or special giveaway. So it's more like a special prize that is valuable and is a more mass appeal type of offer that you have a chance at winning. Whereas with PartnerStack, the offers are mostly about software and business, so when promoted with Propeller ads, they don't work as well. But there are platforms that work quite well with Propeller ads, like CPA Grip and CPA Lead, where the offers have more mass appeal and therefore have more of an incentive for most people to submit their email. And the prizes are typically having a chance at winning like a $500 gift card or something of the sort. So you would just click on giveaways right here if you were to promote something on CPA Grip. So next, it doesn't really matter what age they are or their gender, so you can just leave those blank. And then when you scroll down, you will just want to add your creatives. So you would have to upload an image right here. So just head back to adcreative.ai, sign up, complete these steps, then they will create the ad creative for you. So then you'll just come back here, click right here where it says upload image, and then after you've completed all the steps, you can click on the button that says start campaign. Also, you can try out several different ad creatives from adcreative.ai if you'd like. And now, as I promised, if you made it this far in this video, I will now show you the special bonus method that will allow for you to make even more money with adcreative.ai. So what you can do is head over to a freelancing website like peopleperhour.com and you can sell ad creative services. People are willing to pay a lot for these services because they know how difficult it is to create ad creatives, how important they are to get conversions, and that they will then get a huge return on their investment if their ad creative is really good. And if you see here, people are paying a lot of money to hire someone to create their ad creatives. And you can see how many of these people have gotten lots of sales. So all of these people have gotten thousands of dollars by making ad creatives for people. And the competition isn't even that high. There aren't that many people or pages of people offering this service, yet the demand for this service is super high based on how many sales people have been making here. So if you post your own service here, you can take full advantage of this opportunity. So whenever someone hires you to create an ad creative, you can literally just head over to adcreative.ai and fulfill all of the requirements that your customer provided to you, and Ad Creative will just automatically generate a bunch of different designs and banners for you so you can then deliver to the customer. And the customer will be super satisfied because these ad creatives on adcreative.ai are done super well and have super high conversion rates. So out of all these strategies I shared with you in this video, try at least one and get going with this method. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, check out this video right here.